In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Tikka Masala recipe, all gluten-free, all lectin-free, and I'm going to do it vegetarian. However, if you do eat meat, feel free to substitute chicken in the recipe. It is from the Plant Paradox Family Cookbook from Dr. Gundry. Highly recommend this book. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. What I love about this recipe, I'm able to eat this and not have my stomach be upset, which is awesome. And I just can't get enough of this. I've already made it before, and I could eat it for lunch and dinner every single day. A few things I'm going to mention. So for this recipe, we are going to use tomato paste and tomato puree. However, we are using our Instant Pot to create this recipe. So the good thing is when we use the Instant Pot and we're using tomato, that is going to kill the lectins. Now, if you do not have an Instant Pot and you're going to be using the stovetop, don't worry about it. Omit the puree and the tomato paste, and then you're going to add 1 extra cup of coconut milk. Now, I love eating curry with rice. However, rice has lectins as well. So there's 2 options for you here. You can go with a Basmati rice, which is very low in lectins, and I would recommend soaking the rice 24 hours before and then cooking it on your Instant Pot to kill all of the lectins, okay? Or you can use also a much lower carb option would be cauliflower rice. It's not the same texture as rice, of course, but it tastes really good. And if you're mixing your curry in there, you're not even gonna notice that it's not rice. I promise you guys, I've already done this before. I'm excited for you guys to try this recipe at home. Make sure to let me know how you guys like it. And let's get started, shall we? Taste it. I'm so hungry. Really good. so delicious, guys. You've got to try it. Try it and let me know how you like it in the comments below. So good. I'm gonna go finish my plate. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.